We're here today in the electrical safety test room of the RS lab. Today we're going to demonstrate the difference between a genuine and a fake iPhone charger. So in front of me here we've got 4 different chargers. Only one of them is genuine, 3 are fake. So one on the left here is the genuine Apple article. One good way of telling a genuine article from a fake is that the pin finish is actually matte rather than shiny. We'll just show that, demonstrate it by moving on the line here. You'll see that all the others which are lined up in front of me have actually got shiny pins. The other significant difference is that the chamfering on the genuine Apple product on the phase and neutral pins is actually in a squared off fashion, whereas on a fake either the edges of the pins are flat or they're only slightly chamfered. It's more rounded than chamfered. Another potential clue to whether you're dealing with a fake or a genuine article is the USB connector. On an Apple product, the USB connector, you can see the white insert just at the bottom there. We move to one of the fake articles, you'll see it's the other way around. So the tab is actually at the top in that particular instance. But this isn't always the case. On the right hand side here we have one with a USB connector which is actually exactly the same way round as an Apple genuine article. So what other clues do we have? Well, there are some differences in marking and it does vary between fake to fake. This particular one has got some kind of a stamp over the Singapore Safety Mark logo which sits in the centre. Singapore Safety Mark logo in this case is a fake, of course, and it's been overstamped to make it hard to read as well. But the biggest clue of all is if you weigh the product. So I'll do this with a genuine Apple and you'll see it's over 45 grams. Do the same with the fakes. 3 different fakes from 3 different sources. 33 grams for the first one. Second one comes in at just under 35 grams. And the third, once again, just under 35 grams. So there's 10 grams difference between a genuine article and a fake. And of course that's reflected in the quality of components which are used within. At a base level, all that's separating the user from the mains is the quality of the components and the isolation inside these products. So they are potentially very, very dangerous in the wrong circumstances. We've been made aware of a couple of instances with our customers who are using Raspberry Pis that claim the Raspberry Pi was damaged and the downstream equipment such as the monitor was also damaged, and at that point the reason for this was unknown, but it's since been discovered that in 2 of these cases these fake chargers were being used. So we wouldn't recommend the use of an iPhone charger with the Raspberry Pi. There are specific and much better products out there for doing it, many of which of course we sell. But of course it is possible to plug one in, and because of that, if you do it, you need to make sure that you are working with the genuine Apple article and not one of these fakes. There are so many of them in the marketplace. These are just 3 different types, and I'm sure there must be many more out there. So there you have it, how to tell a fake Apple charger from a genuine charger. Thanks for listening.